Next part of this chapter is addiction. This is a complex condition which is characterized by a compulsive use of substance. Means a person needs to use that substance even despite of its harmful consequences. Means person knows what consequences, what harmful or bad consequences he have to face in future because of the use of this substance, but that person cannot leave the use of that substances. Addiction may involve the use of substances such as alcohol, opioids, cocaine, nicotine, and others that are the things, or the behavioral addictions like gambling, means jua. There is scientific evidences that the addictive behaviors share key neurobiological features. That means addiction is actually related to our neurobiological feature. They intensely involve brain pathways of reward and reinforcement. Means our brain is actually getting a kind of reward or reinforcement to do the same thing again from that activity, also affecting the motivation, and which involves the neurotransmitter dopamine, which is actually responsible for the happiness in our mind. It is important to know that the neurological changes are reversible. Means a person even which is actually falls in addiction must know that these changes are reversible, which are related to our neurobiological changes, and substance use or behavior is discontinued. If that substance or that behavior is discontinued, then our neurobiological changes are again comes at its original position. Addiction overall results in the impairment of physical, physiological, and psychological functions of the body. That means which actually impairs, means with no use of physical or physical health, psychological, that is our mental health, and physiological, like biochemical processes which are performed in our body, all are affected by the addictions. Causes of substances abuse during adolescence: insufficient parental supervision and monitoring. Means both parents are working, that means less monitoring on children's. Lack of communication between child and parents, again the same reason, parents are working. Poorly defined rules are not mentioned, or what we can say in the form of sanskar, which are not applied to the life. Family conflicts, because of some kinds of conflicts or fights which are common in a family. Because of that, maybe a person, a child which is not involved in that fights, but still if he is watching family members to fight with each other always. Favorable parental attitudes towards alcohol and drug uses. With the name of the modernization, some families actually prefer consume alcohol in the house. Expectations from drug use. That means if a person is in tense condition, mental tense condition, that time that children is actually just thinking towards a kind of drugs use. Risk taking behavior, that means this kind of drugs, or that use of these drugs or alcohol is actually one of the kind of risk. So for the exploration reason only, in the adolescent state, children are actually turning towards the addictions. Methods or measures to control drug abuse: always remember prevention is better than cure. That means we need to stay away from this kind of substances which are actually related to the addiction. Avoid undue pressure. That means just because of the peer pressure, we cannot deny our peers. That shouldn't be happen. For the good thing, we have to pressurize our peer means our friends and everyone, and for bad thing we have to prevent them, not to pressure them to do the things which are bad. A child should not be forced to perform beyond his or her capacities in studies, sports, and also other activities. Otherwise, child may be comes towards the these kind of addictions. Education and counseling of child to face problems and stress. So this is the most important part, that is counseling, to accept the disappointments and failures as a part of life. That means one failure is not just the end of life, or you just need to channelize your energy, or you just need to digest your failure and you have to emerge from it. Channelize the energy of child in sports, studies, and other constructive activities. Adults, and especially adults and children, have more energy and they are spending their energy with these useless kind of addictions. So instead of that, they have to indulge in sports, studies, and other constructive activities.